Real talk, mamas. There is absolutely nothing more anxiety-inducing than boarding a gorgeous flight for your dream vacation, settling into your plush seat, and realizing your baby is about to experience the absolute agony of airplane air popping. We have all seen the glares from other passengers, but let me tell you a little secret. You hold the ultimate, natural remedy right in your chest. Today we are going to spill the tea on exactly how to relieve your baby's ear pressure by nursing during takeoff, so you can start your getaway in total peace. Welcome back to MilkyWayTravels, your go-to spot for navigating motherhood with serious style. Whether you are squeezing into coach or kicking back in Delta One, we believe family travel should feel fabulous, not frantic. Grab a matcha latte and let's get into the ultimate breastfeeding travel hack. Let's start with the why. As your plane speeds down the runway and climbs thousands of miles into the sky, the cabin pressure drops fast. This creates a vacuum in your baby's tiny ear canals, which hurts like crazy. Unlike us, they do not know how to intentionally yawn or chew gum to pop their ears. That is where nursing becomes an absolute game changer. The physical motion of your baby latching and swallowing activates the exact muscles needed to open their Eustachian tubes and equalize that pressure. But here is the secret sauce. It is all about timing. Do not start nursing the second you sit down. Wait until the pilot announces you are cleared for takeoff and the plane actually starts accelerating down the runway. You want your baby actively gulping right as those wheels leave the tarmac and the altitude shifts. Now, let's talk about the setup, because nursing in a tiny airplane seat requires a little bit of strategy and the right luxury gear. You want to create a cozy, stress-free bubble for you and your baby. Ditch the cheap, scratchy airplane pillows and pack your own memory foam travel pillow to support your arm. If you want to be extra bougie, wear a beautifully draped, breathable cashmere nursing wrap. It acts as a chic layering piece for those freezing cabins and gives you total privacy if you want it, without looking like you are wearing a giant tent. I also highly recommend wearing your baby in a high-end carrier like an Artipoppe right through TSA and onto the plane. You can easily loosen the straps, lower your baby to the perfect height, and nurse hands-free while you sip your pre-flight sparkling water. It is the definition of traveling like a VIP. But what happens if you get stuck in a massive line of planes on the tarmac for 45 minutes? This is the ultimate travel trap. Do not let your baby drain both sides or fall into a deep sleep before you actually take off. If they are getting fussy while you wait, offer a pacifier. A beautifully designed, natural rubber pacifier is perfect for this. Sucking on the pacifier will still help with minor pressure changes while you taxi, saving your actual milk ounces and the deep swallowing motion for the steep climb. Keep a few bucks handy to buy extra bottled water at the terminal before you board, because staying hydrated is crucial for your supply when you are flying. Traveling with a baby doesn't have to mean compromising your peace or your aesthetic. With a little bit of timing and the right mindset, nursing on takeoff will make your next flight an absolute breeze. If you loved these tips and want more real talk on luxury travel, high-end baby gear, and breastfeeding, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you have ever successfully nursed on a plane, and drop a comment below spilling your favorite travel hack for flying with infants. Thanks for hanging out with MilkyWayTravels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.